You don't need to study 12 hours a day. I ranked top 3 with a 98% majorship rating while being an SK chairman, living a balanced life, and of course, sleeping 7 to 8 hours a day. Hi everyone and welcome to my first ever video. I am Sir Radar and for today's video, I will ungatekeep my review routine and give you the tips during my review journey. Number 1, be consistent. Please remember the mantra, show up. Show up kahit pagod ka, show up kahit you have problems, show up even if you have a lot of events, programs. It is really important that you show up. Avoid muna yung gatherings, avoid muna yung travels, or any other things that might hinder you from reviewing every day. Again, every day you need to review. You need to be consistent. Even when you're tired, 1% of learning is better than not having at all. Never maging absent, never maging tamad, and be consistent. Umattend ka sa review center, you read your books, you consume your resources every day. Again, every day. Di naman siya talaga na you need to review buong araw. 1 to 2 hours will do. Number 2, take drills every day. So during my first month nung review ko pa, I am taking 20 items, 30 items, 50, hanggang as time goes by, nagiging 100, 200, and then malapit na talaga yung board examination. Hindi ko na namamalayan that I am taking 1,000 items daily, 1,300. So I think that is one of the open secrets ng mga top-notchers, is to take drills every day. Of course, I can relate to you that 1,000 items, sobrang nakakahilo niyan. I can relate to that. Because during your board examination, if nahasa na yung brain mo to take 1,000 items or more, parang easier na lang mag-take ng 450 items a day. Medyo manageable na lang talaga siya if you train your mind to take 1,000 items or more every day. Be consistent and of course, take drills consistently. Number 3, quality over quantity. Quality materials, quality resources, and quality review centers. 1 to 2 resources is enough than having tens or even hundreds of resources na di mo na alam kung saan magsisimula, kung legit ba. Honestly, that is one of the many reasons why I did not take the March 2025 LET despite na may NOA na ako. It's because na sobrang dami kong resources sa computer, sa phone, and hindi ko na alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Medyo natatamad na ako. Kumbaga, na-overwhelm na yung mind ko sa dami ng resources sa harapan ko. Medyo nag-cram talaga siya sa mind ko to the point na tinatamad na ako mag-review. That is why you need to choose 1 or 2 or few resources talaga na you can follow through talaga from beginning to end. This is not a sponsorship, but based on my honest and pure experience. I am from CBRC and CBRC gives a very high quality materials, lectures, and overall review experience. They are giving high quality talaga and high standards. All sa kanilang face-to-face classes, which includes everyday review online sessions. I also bought their books. I bought their application, the kanilang Carl App AI. And of course, for our last tip for this video, number 4, is to listen to your body. If I am tired, natutulog talaga ako or I am taking a nap. And then review ulit. And then if during gabi, kapag sobrang pagod na talaga, I am sleeping talaga. Hindi ko talaga pinagbabawalan ang sarili ko na matulog. Forcing yourself to not sleep leads to poor retention. Hindi talaga high quality yung malulearn mo if pinipilit mo yung self mo to review. Despite na sumasakit na yung ulo mo, inaantok ka na. So, you should listen to your body. Average around 4 hours, di talaga ako nag-exceed ng 7 to 8 hours of reviewing because napapagod talaga ako at nahihilo talaga ako sa pagre-review. I hate that kind of feeling that reviewing is kind of torture. Reviewing is kind of a suffering rather than a valuable journey. I see reviewing as a happy journey, a learning opportunity. Siguro on the last few weeks sa yung board examination, siguro doon ka na mag-review super, but if medyo di pa naman siya malapit, you can review around 4 hours, 5 hours, mga ganon. So, it's really enough talaga. And make sure that it's quality review. Yung hindi talaga na nagre-review ka dito, tapos nagsuscroll ka sa TikTok. So, it's not a high quality review. So, you should focus for 5 hours, for 6 hours. Super focus ka talaga sa inyong materials. Okay? And, one more thing. When I am stressed, pumupunta ako sa gym, I lift weights, I also do home workouts, and also, games din ako. Mobile Legends, Clash of Clans, Call of Duty, and kung ano-ano na lang yung makikita ko sa App Store. And yun talaga yung mga coping mechanisms ko to battle stress. And also, you can do your hobbies as well. So, you need to balance everything out and to listen to your body. And that's it for our video. If you have other questions and queries, you can drop it sa ating comment box below. This is my first ever video and medyo awkward talaga sa feeling. But I am trying. I'm trying my best kasi ang daming nagme-message and ang daming nagko-comment ng video ko about the tips sa board examination. And if you have suggestions on how to improve, I would gladly appreciate it. So that's it. Once again, I am Sir Radar, top 3, net top notcher with 98% majorship rating. So God bless on your review journey, and I'm here to help you throughout your journey. Bye-bye.